こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the E vowel sound. Campanas Japanese. Have you watched my intro video? If not, I recommend watching it. The link in the description box below. So, there are 3 points you might want to keep in mind when you practice pronouncing vowel sounds. Number 1, how wide you open your mouth. Number 2, where your tongue is placed inside your mouth. Number 3, whether you round your lips or not. So, about the first point. For this vowel, you need to open your mouth slightly more than for the E vowel, and slightly less than for the A vowel. Let's compare these 3 vowels. I, E, A. I, E, A.
Sorry about my creepy mustache right there.
So, if you open your mouth too wide, the sound you produce gets more and more like a weird A sound. Look. E. See? E. And if you don't open your mouth enough, then the sound you produce gets more and more like a weird E sound. Look. E. See? E. And don't forget, for this vowel, the corners of your lips slightly spread. E. Next, about the second point. You raise the front part of your tongue towards the hard palate. The tip of the tongue lightly touches the back of the bottom front teeth. E. Try not to raise your tongue too high. If you do that, the sound you produce gets more and more like the E sound. Look. E. See? So don't do that. E. Okay, the final point. You don't round your lips for this vowel. E. In the Japanese vowels, you only round your lips when you pronounce the O Japanese vowel sound. And of course, as with the rest of the Japanese vowel sounds, your vocal cords here should be vibrating. E. Alright, let's practice the E vowel sound using some real words. Repeat with me. Ie. Ie. Ue. Ue. Eki. Eki. Ebi. Ebi. Hae. Hae. One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters. So it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, I'll upload hiragana worksheets like this. So go to my Patreon page and download them for free. The link in the description. Sup, dude? If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please kindly get subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. さようなら。